In this video, I'm going to show you how to add breadcrumbs in Elementor. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are there, hover your mouse over the Plugins option from the left-hand side menu, and then click on Add Plugin from the side menu that appears. On the next page, you will notice a search box located at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Type Rank Math SEO into this search bar. After entering it, you will see the Rank Math SEO plugin displayed in the results. Click on the Install Now button next to it. Once the plugin is installed, the same spot will display an Activate button. Simply click on it. After activation, you will now see Rank Math SEO added to the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Hover your mouse over it, and from the menu that appears, click on General Settings. Once you're inside the settings, you'll notice the option for Breadcrumbs. Click on it to access its section. Inside this section, you will see the option called Separator Character. This allows you to select or type in any separator of your choice for the breadcrumbs. You can use the default ones, or if you want, you can enter a custom separator. For example, I am typing in / as my separator. After you have set this, scroll down the page and click on Save Changes. Once the settings are saved, scroll back up and you will see a shortcode displayed there. It starts and ends with square brackets. Copy this shortcode. Now open your Elementor editor where you want the breadcrumbs to appear. Once inside the editor, go to the top of the page and create a new section. This is where you will place your breadcrumbs. From the left-hand side menu in Elementor, search for Shortcode. You will see the shortcode widget appear in the search results. Drag and drop this shortcode widget into the section you created. On the left-hand side panel, paste the shortcode you copied from the Rank Math SEO plugin into the shortcode field. Once done, click Publish at the top right-hand corner of the screen to save your changes. After publishing, open your site in a new tab and refresh the page. You will now be able to see the breadcrumbs appear on your site. To confirm that it works, click on any option within the breadcrumbs to navigate, and you'll see that it takes you to the correct location, confirming that it is working properly. This is exactly how you can add breadcrumbs in Elementor.